Hi everyone. So I had this client from Snapchat who booked for a frontal wig installation. So I decided to do a mini tutorial for you guys. So she came in with her hair already braided. So I'm just going ahead with my scalp oil to massage that into her scalp, keep it moisturized. Then I used some alcohol to wipe off the excess oil along the hairline, and I brushed back her hair with some gel. Next, I'm putting on my stocking cap and cutting around the ears so that that area can lay flat, and also cutting around the eyes so that she can see. Next, I'm using my ghost bond glue to glue down the wig cap. Some people like to use got to be free spray for this part, but I prefer using glue. So I just spread that around with the tail of my comb, just around the area where I want the frontal to lay. Then I'm going ahead to sew around the perimeters of the hair. Some people don't do this, but I like to do it because it just adds more security and keeps the wig cap in place. So after doing that, I'm just going ahead to apply some foundation onto the wig cap, so that when I put on the wig, it has a seamless blend, with her skin tone. So after doing that, I cut off the excess cap in the front and all around. Then I use some glue again in the front to just lay down any part of the wig cap that wasn't glued. Next, I'm putting on the frontal and just measuring it to see that it fits. Then I put another layer of my glue, I dry it up, and then I place the frontal very neatly, very carefully. After doing that, I just take off the pieces for the baby hair. She didn't want anything too much or too dramatic, so I just did, took out the basics. 2 in the front, 2 around the ears. 1 each around the ears. Hope that makes sense. Well, either ways, after that, I just put my melting band so it melts, and then I'm going ahead to style the wig. So she wanted 2 braids in the front, which is what I'm doing. I just decided to do stitch braids because I don't want it to be so basic. Yeah, and the stitches, I know they're not looking so perfect, but well, yeah, I did that. Anyways, after doing the 2 braids, I just connected them in the back and tied it up. Then I'm going into the baby hairs. I'm just cutting off the length because it's too long. And then after that, I use my mini curler to curl it up because that is going to help the laying of the edges go easier and smoother. Hope that makes sense. So I'm just going in to lay the baby hairs, nothing too much or too extra, just clean and classy, and here is the finished look. She liked it. Please like this video and follow for more. Bye.